Today I'm going to show you how to make a social media follow module uniform with each other, like colors and shapes. Some people like those social media icons, which have their own branding color, and some do not, especially those who are leaning on the less is more type of design. Sometimes they limit the theme or design to 3 different colors, a maximum of 4, but a very subtle one. Add a social media follow module to a row. Next, you can add more social network icons by clicking the plus button. To customize the icon, you need to click the gear icon on the left side of each social network icon. Under the Content tab, you can change the background color. Under the Design tab, open the Icon section where you can edit the icon color. Enable the use of custom icon size if you want to adjust the height of the icon. The default is 16 pixels. To make the button round or square, open the border section. From there, you can define the roundness of the corner or if you want to add a border, whichever fits your design. After editing the button, click on the check icon on the bottom right of the panel to save the changes that you have made. Next, on the right side of the social network icon, you will see a 3 dot beside the trash can icon. Click on it and choose Copy Item Styles. Paste it on the other icons by clicking on the 3 dots of the social icon you want to apply the design to. That's it. A simple way to customize the social icon buttons. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.